Secure the hanger bracket to the ceiling outlet box using screws and washers included with mounting hardware. Choose machine screws or wood screws depending on your outlet box type. Locate the fan motor and fan blades. Place one fan blade onto motor and align both screw holes. Secure fan blade to motor with 2 blade screws. Place a second fan blade onto motor. Align screw holes with motor and align the joining edge with the first blade. Twist 2 screws halfway into screw holes. Do not tighten yet. Repeat the procedure with the third blade. Adjust the first 2 blades so that the third can be properly put in place. Secure all 6 blade screws. Make sure each fan blade is clutching one another. Flip over the fan. Using 3 flat-headed screws, secure the 3 fan blades from the other side. Flip over the fan again. Plug the light wires into the LED module. Push the extra wire back into the motor axis. Place light kit onto the fitting plate and align screws holes. Secure with 3 screws. Slip canopy and coupling cover onto down rod. Carefully feed fan wires up through down rod. Place down rod into motor coupler. Align holes, then insert safety pin through motor coupler and down rod. Insert R-clip into safety pin. Fasten both screws and coupler. Hang the fan on mounting bracket. Rotate to make sure the bracket nodule seats firmly in the hanger ball slot. Using wiring nuts provided in the package, connect blue and white light wires from the fan with blue and white wires from remote control receiver. Connect motor control wires from remote control receiver with motor wires from the fan. Connect ground wire from the ceiling outlet box with ground wires from remote control receiver and the fan. Connect live wire and neutral wire from the ceiling outlet box with live wire and neutral wire from remote control receiver. Carefully arrange the connected wires and place receiver in mounting bracket. Pull up the canopy to mounting bracket. Let 2 bracket screws go through canopy slotted holes. Rotate canopy to let screws seat in the narrow slots. Fasten both bracket screws. Place lampshade beneath light kit. Align 3 nodules on the light kit with 3 slot openings on the lampshade. Turn clockwise to secure. Congratulations! You can now enjoy cool breeze and enlightenment from this fantastic ceiling fan you've just managed to install.